Well, welcome back, guys. What in the world have I got going on today? Well, I've got basically some old tarp strap. This is come off of a semi. You can find this on the roadway. A lot of times you'll see it laying on the shoulder. Semis will break one of their big tie-down straps on their cargo. It'll be laying on the side of the road, so it makes a really good chafing gear. You can use a regular, smaller ratchet strap like you get it anywhere to tie down something. This material is a nylon and is extremely tough, and it's great for using it for chafing gear. Now, what in the world is chafing gear? Well, chafing gear is used to prevent rubbing on a particular material that's going to destroy what is being rubbed on. So in a boat, you've got wires and cables and gas lines and fuel lines. Everything is running every which direction. And a lot of times you've got it rubbing, especially on like a 90-degree turn or where it angles off. It'll actually be rubbing on something that could possibly rub into the insulation, cause a short, cause a fire, or rub into a fuel line, or how about like a raw water line coming from your bilge. Anything that could actually rub on any type of material over a period of time causes a hole. So what are we doing? Well, we're making some small pieces of chafing gear, and I've already made some right here, and all it is a piece of this nylon strapping. I made a little bit smaller pieces, and then I've got a little bit bigger pieces, and all you have to do is take this material, wrap it around, say it's a fuel line, or say it's your main line coming from your generator, or whatever, a 120 coming from your dock side. You can use this material anywhere where you may have an issue of it actually rubbing through. Kind of like your power cord coming from your dock to your boat. You know, a lot of times that rubs right there on the side of your boat, especially kind of when it comes up on side the deck. You can actually put this there, and it will actually preserve and prevent an issue there later on. So all you have to have is a butane torch, and we'll get this thing fired up. You can either use a wider scraper like this, or you can use a smaller one like this. Your choice. We're going to get this bad boy nice and hot. All you have to do is right there on the edge, just get it nice and hot right there. If you can make it glow red, hey, that's perfect. And it'll take just a minute, kind of dissipate the heat back and forth. Just kind of work it back and forth. Just come down, touch it. It's just gonna melt it right in two. Just do it again. Pretty much that simple, just like that, guys. So you got yourself just a nice piece of chafing gear. Make sure you got plenty of zip ties on your boat, always, different sizes, and it'll just save yourself by having a big time issue sometime. And it might be a fuel leak, it might be an electrical short, or it could be electrical fire. So do what you can to prepare your boat. Make sure it's good to go. You can use this on automobiles. I've used it on trucks, transmission lines, fuel lines. It's just some great stuff. So make you some. It's going to save you a lot of headaches in the future. All right, so this is a location where you definitely can use some chafing gear. As you can see, we've got a lot of power lines coming through, shore lines feeding up to the main breaker panel on our 120. And what we got here is we just got a little sharp edge right here, and all this is riding on there, so during vibration and moving around, it can definitely wear through. And then when you go to plug up your shore power, then you can definitely have some issues. So this is one location to where it's really important to just look at all your wiring and make sure you're good to where you're not going to have any wear points and possibly cause a fire or another mishap as you're underway. So Look for every possibility that you can. Prevent problems in the future. Tell me what you think of the videos. If there's something I can do to help you out, let me know, because I love answering your questions. So God bless y'all, and y'all have a great day, and we will see you soon.